Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Wake up. To stop sleeping. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Get up. To get out of bed. When do you get up on weekends? I usually get up at 7 a.m. Plan out. To think about and decide what you will do or how you will do it. Do you plan out your day in advance? Yes, I plan out my day every morning. Wind up. To end or finish something. When do you wind up your workday? I wind up at 6 p.m. Brush up on. To improve or refresh your knowledge or skill in a particular subject or activity. Do you need to brush up on your math skills? Yes, I need to brush up on algebra before the test. Put on. To get dressed in. What jacket did you put on today? I put on my red jacket this morning. Dress up. To wear formal or special clothes. Do you dress up for special occasions? Yes, I like to dress up for parties. Take off. To remove something clothing. When should I take off my shoes? Please take off your shoes at the door. Go out. To leave your home for social activities. Do you often go out for dinner? Yes, I like to go out with friends on weekends. Come back. To return to a place. When will you come back home? I will come back at 6 p.m. Sit down. To take a seat. Can you sit down for a moment? Sure, I will sit down right here. Work out. To exercise. Do you work out every day? Yes, I work out in the morning. Turn on. To switch on a device. Can you turn on the TV? Sure, I will turn on the news. Turn off. To switch off a device. Did you turn off the lights before leaving? Yes, I turned off all the lights. Eat out. To eat at a restaurant. Do you eat out often? Yes, I eat out every weekend. Chill out. To relax completely. How do you like to chill out after work? I chill out by watching movies. Hang out. To spend time relaxing. Do you hang out with friends often? Yes, we hang out on weekends. Makeup. To apply cosmetics. Did you make up before going out? Yes, I put on a little makeup.
Thanks for watching. For more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.